I'm going to share some tips with you on how you can make millions of naira or millions of dollars in your country, either you are in Nigeria or outside of Nigeria. I'm going to share this tip with you. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, comment and share the video. So in this tip that I'm about to share with you, you need your phone, you need your mobile phone, and you need your data connection. I believe you may have heard the word affiliate. Affiliate, you have been saying, is the best way that you can use to make money online. Is the best way that you can use to make money online. Even when you are sleeping, the money will begin to generate based on you have already set up some one or two things. There are many procedures on how you can do it, and there are some simple procedure and there are harder procedure. And in this tutorial I'm about to show you, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make it, even though that you don't have subscriber on your YouTube channel, or you don't have followers on your TikTok, or you don't have any likes on your Facebook page. I'm going to share this tip with you without having anyone following you or subscribing to any of your channel or your profile.
So you will go to your browser, you will type systeming.io. Then after you have typed it, you send it. After directing into this page, all you have to do is to come here, get my free account. Then after you have entered here, you touch it, you touch get my free account. So I'm going to touch it now. Then you see a new menu like this will open to you. A new menu like this will open to you saying that create your free account. So you type your email address here, you type the email address there. After you have typed it, they will send, then you touch the button one here. After you have typed the email address, you touch on the button one, get my profile, get my free account. Then they will send you message to your main boss. In that your main boss, you go there to verify. But for me, I've already have account here, so I will sign in. So I will sign in. Then after signing in, for you to promote any product here, you will come to this option at the right side corner of the top here. You will touch it. So I will touch it now. You can see that a new stream have opened to me. Then from there, you are going to touch this menu here again. You are going to touch here this setting to set your profile. Then after setting your profile, then for you to go to the market space when you can promote product and do any other product, either selling or promoting, you can come here, this dashboard here. Then after you have touched the dashboard, this is where you are going to see product that you are going to promote. You know, you can promote it to anywhere at all. I will touch it there. Now you see some product here. The first one here, 1 to 10 email marketing. Then you see the percent, which is the percentage here, the commission that they are going to pay you if you promote it. If you are able to send one of it, they are going to give you 50%. And this 50%, maybe the product is 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, even 15,000. In that 50,000, they are going to be giving you 25,000, and the owners of the product will take 25,000, which is divided by 2. And when you look the down one here, Solar Campus are going to give you 50% of any amount that you sell with this, you sell from this product. And when you take it down, you see other one here, which is high ticket AI launch formula. When you see it here, 10% of it that they are going to give you. Then the other one here, landing page to lead toolkit. When you see it here, 25%. So these are the products that you are going to be promoting. These are the products that you are going to be promoting. And when you promote all this one and you see want to promote more, you can come here, you can see option, different option here, which is you are now in page 1 of it. You can touch the page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, even to 100. Then from there you come, which is to 96 that you have access to promote their product. And every day they are uploading product that you are allowed to sell, and all this thing is free. You are not going to pay for it at all. So here the tricks now come in. When you see the product that you want to promote, the next thing you are going to do, you touch the product. For example, email marketing ebook. So I will touch it now. Then after touching it, you can see that my screen is loading. Then you take it down. After you have loaded, you take it down. You see the product here. Then you see commission rate 20% to 50%. Then from there you will come here. This is what you are going to be promoting now. This is what you are going to be promoting, which is sell page. Then in this sell page, you are going to touch it. When you touch it, a new menu will open to you. So I will touch it for you to see the example. You can see here that is loading the page that you are going to sell, and it's telling you here, I did love to invite you to invest in your email marketing education by purchasing my beginner guide to email marketing ebook for just $9.95, which is any person that is going to buy it. This is the amount that they are going to pay. You are not going to fill any form here at all. So you will scroll it down. You will look for a better description that you can use to describe the product that you want to promote on Facebook. You can see the first one here, how to start an email list from zero. So I will copy this. I will copy it. So after copying it, you will go and paste it on the Facebook. You will paste it, add to that the URL. You will give space before pasting it, and make sure your description is at the end of the URL. You paste the description first, then you paste the URL under, but make sure that there is a space between the two. So I will copy it here. Now let me go back to my Facebook. So here is my Facebook. So I want to paste it here now. I'll paste the description, how to start an email list from zero. Then the link is for you to copy it. When you copy it, you go to your Facebook. So I will copy it now. And what I'm going to do next now is for me to go to the Facebook there and paste it on under of it. I will give space there. I will now paste it there. So I've pasted it now. You can see the two here. You can see how to start an email list from zero. Then the link will be under of it. Then after that, then you can say post. From here, this is where the trick now come in. You touch on the post, then you touch post. Then you can see that it's posting now my product, both the description that I'm posting it on Facebook. You wait for some minutes. After posting it, you go to your profile. After you have go to your profile, under your profile you will see the post. Or if after posting it and you touch that post and it automatically directs you to where you are going to post it, which is something like this that is showing on my screen. So the next thing you are going to do for you to set it accordingly, you first of all touch this arrow. You can see it here, advantage plus creative. Then this option here, you are going to turn it off. If you leave it, which means Facebook, they are going to detect how they are going to post the AD for you. and maybe they will not direct people to the product where you can sell it. So you will touch this phrase to turn it off. If you are using a mobile app, this option will not show for you, so you will turn this off. Cannot take it off from here now. Then you change it from here to where you are going to direct it to the website where you can sell the product. So I will touch it now for you to see as an example. Now you can see that Facebook is asking you from here, what result would you like from this AD? First one here, automatic. The second one, get more engagement. The third one, get more lead. While the fourth one here, get more website visitor. And this is where you are going to select, which means this green circle here, you are going to touch here for the green circle to come to this place. So when you touch it, any person that see the product, they will make sure that they go to the website to go and buy the product. So I will touch on this place now. So you can see that I've touched it, that the green circle that is at the top now change to the down one. Then after that you screw it up, then you save it from under. When you take it down, you select the area you want the product to go to. I select from here, which is the area that I want this AD to sell to: Ghana, Greater Accra region, Nigeria, Lagos State, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, South Africa. So from here now, I select the area I want to sell this product to. Then from there, you can see the age. Make sure that you select it to as from 30 to 65 above. Then after that, you screw it down. After you have selected it, you save it, then you come down again. So let me screw it down. You screw it down. From this option here, you select the date that you want the AD to last, which is the day here. You can see the day here is 4, while this one here is the minus, while here is plus. If you want to increase the date, you touch the plus. If you want to minus from the date, you touch the minus. So after that, after you have done all those ones, then here is the estimate now, the amount when you are going to put on the AD for you to boost the AD. You can start from 800, as from 800 to 100,000. Then from 800 to 100,000, and you can see here 3,500. The estimated is 637 people to 1,800 people that this 3,500 will go to, which means from the day 1 till the day 4 of it, the AD will go from 637 people to 1,800 people. So from there, you set the money, you credit your account. And if you don't know how to credit the account, I will also do a video concerning that. Then after doing it, I will put it under the description also. So from here, you take it down. Before you will add, this is where you are going to add the amount that you want to use to promote the product. And before you add it, make sure you come to this other side, total amount to spend. You will see it here. You know the amount that you budget is 3,500. Then the tax and the other things that they are going to pay, total together is now 3,762 naira 50 kobo. So you are going to add this 3,762 naira 50 kobo to your account, which means as you click on this add fund, you make sure that you add this amount so that for you to boost your AD. So after that, you touch on boost now, and you can see here is the boost now. For you to boost your AD, you can see here, you will see it on your Facebook mobile app under. So you touch on this boost post now. Then after that, the Facebook will carry your product to the people that need it at that moment without any error.
If you have not subscribed to our channel before and you like this video, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like the video, comment and share it with your friend.